Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. It is week 2 of the Christmas holiday mix hosted by my beautiful YouTube and Dream Team sister, Bree of Bree's Porject book. And she has asked Juani of Juani's House, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner, and myself, Kimberly of A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis, to join her as co-hostesses. Now, week 2, we are sharing how to entertain in 2021. How are we going to entertain for the holidays in 2021? Today, I'm going to be sharing some tips and things that I do in my own home to entertain. Now, let me just say this. Disclaimer, I am not really entertaining guests. I am entertaining my immediate family. So that's what I will be doing until we get over the hump with this situation, right? But I'm going to give you some tips still of what I do in my home. If you are interested, just keep on watching. Tip number 1. Entertain in your backyard. It's outdoors. And have your guests enter in to your side yard. And make sure you have enough seating spaced out for your guests to be safe and enjoy. Tip number 2. If possible, set up a hand sanitizing station, which can include a touchless soap dispenser. This one I purchased from Amazon for under $20. You can also place some hand sanitizer, and don't forget the paper towels. And the not so cute thing, but is so needed, have your garbage bin accessible for your guests to throw away their used items, and this helps you as well for cleanup, and you don't have to touch things behind your guest. Tip number 3. Make sure your food is easy accessible. As the host, if you're serving a drink, pour your guest a drink, so only you will be handling the dispenser and not several. And even though you're the only one touching the dispenser, wipe down the dispenser spout after each use. The better idea is to use individual drinks like canned sodas and bottled water, and make sure that they are standing upright so your guests can grab them easily. Now, as far as your food, use disposable dishes and flatware. Your menu should be food that can be easily grabbed. Appetizers and hors d'oeuvres is the best choice because you can use sticks, skewers, and picks. As you can see, I have several choices for my guests to enjoy. They're light and easy usage. Lastly, enjoy. In this space, we play games, we watch TV, we watch movies, and for the most part, we just sit back here and catch up and talk and laugh and have fun. Enjoy celebrating the holidays with family and friends. Cherish and make those special memories at the end of 2021. Are you entertaining this holiday season? Share in the comments section below some of your tips to have a safe holiday for 2021. Now, after you view my video, please go over to the playlist, which is listed in my description box down below, because I am sure Bree, Juani, and Kenya will have so many tips and tricks to entertain this time of year, and you will not want to miss them. Again, the playlist link will be listed in my description box down below. If you are new here and you're coming over from the other ladies' channels, welcome. I am so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring that bell. That way you are notified of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.